I said, you feel look nice now?
Yeah!
Eh?
Yeah!
Yeah, mom, you work on it. You know for work you do. Falmouth all age. Feel look nice, nicer now. Eh?
Yeah!
See when I Falmouth, say feel look nice. You see it? Have so much? Yeah, man, 23 ultra. You have 24 too. You see kids them now?
Are we come for winning our 8 school?
What you say? Look can't beat 8 school.
We can't beat 8
Eh? What's it? What?
We say we go beat 8.
Okay, what beat 8 school? Eh? If you think I beat 8 school?
Yeah.
Okay. But me about on still in my son you can't beat 8 school, you can't beat any school. As long as you train hard. Yeah, man.
Let's see what PE teacher.
PE teacher, what? Yeah. You see it?
My best PE teacher. Mr. Fred.
Yeah.
Just like you know a picture and go to Mr. Bell.
All the girls, one straight line behind Leandra. Ready?
You see it? Yeah.
All right. All right, listen up. Listen up. Take one. My time. My time. My time now. Falmouth all eight. My time. Who's still talking? Who's still talking? Kendra. Come to the front of this line. No talking now. It's my time. No one should be talking. My time.
Turn on. That's so much girls. Why me and tell you? Yes, I as a mula boy. Let me and tell you. The kids them happy and say boy they feel look nice. Let me and tell you. This is Berg School track team coming to Miami in June. Yeah, man. Yes, Aya. So we are starting the guns for them. Yeah, man. So me I daily do. People them, kids them happy. So them play go nice again. All because of the voice of Bed Miller. The voice of Bed Miller make what you see happening. You hear me? All my point them finger to one another. And the voice of Bed Miller. Make the guns are put together. And we go try my best. Try my best to maintain it.
Falmouth all eight. We're ready again. Falmouth all eight.
Falmouth all age.
We're ready again.
Listen up.
Fingers on your lips. Hey, put that over there. Put that over there. This line. Lead us to the far court. The straight line.
And so much girls.
Line over that side, the far court.
Coupon girls. Girl children. Look how much girls.
Hey, put the shoes over there.
Look how much girls. I went for Berg School. So much girls.
Yep. Stay in the line.
Right, I tell you.
All the boys.
How I go on? And look at the boys, the man, brother. I'm so disappointed. Look at the boys. Look at the boys I run.
Straighten the line now for me. Alright, listen up. Straighten the line. Girls, straighten the line. Go around. Straighten the line.
Yeah, primary infant. From out all here, so you can't beat my area, you know.
Alright, listen up. Listen up.
Mr. Elvin and the 8 primary infant.
Listen up. Leandra,
From out all here, so you can't beat them, Mr. Area. So may I tell you. Yes, I am. Look what the voice of Bed Miller make possible right now. And because of me. Because of me.
Nobody move now. My time. Nobody. My time. instruction. Naviana. Listen for the instruction. Listen. We're going to do 4 laps. Up and down around the cone. Girls, around your cone and back. Stay in the line, not a race. Boys, same thing. Ready? Go. Not a race, remember.
Not a race, take your time. We're on the cone and back. Yes. The children of Falmouth all age. Yeah, man. They soon get the world. They soon can get the entire field to run round. Yeah, man. You see them? The children of Falmouth all age. Yeah, man. You see much children? Yes, I am. Them things we want. Playground for the kids, them. Yes.
Don't move. Stay in the line.
Yeah, man, the voice of bed miller, brother. Make them I think I can. I say, man, let's go to my content. They don't talk much. Yeah, man. So, as I say, I don't make no long post. Yes, I am.
When I say stop, don't move. Go. One more to go. Going up and down. Get up.
Yeah, Premier Infant. Falmouth all age kids say, boy, you can't beat them this area. When beat them last year, you can't beat them this area.
Don't move. Stretching to the sky. And then goes. And then goes. Going up.
I mean, I tell you.
1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Again, you're going up. You're going up on your toes. Reach to the sky. 1, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Falmouth all age.
Touch your toes. Down, down, down. Ready? 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Falmouth all age.
Again. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Falmouth all age.
Over. Ready? Right foot behind. Right foot behind. 1, 1, 1, 1. Right foot in front. Pull on it. 1, 1, 1.
You see?
1, 1. Right foot inside.
Uniform she now,
One.
and she a train still, and she a train same way. You can see she just love. Don't feel no way.
1.
A big man big you up.
Foot outside.
You know uniform when you a train same way.
1, 1.
Me love that.
1. Alright, left foot behind. 1, 1, 1. Pull on it. 1, 1. Inside.
Why me I tell you?
1. Outside. Hurry up. 1. Alright, hurry up. We're going on the grind. We're stretching the grind. We're going out. Ready? Everybody. 1.
I can tell you.
Again. 1.
A good look. Me love it look. Yeah man, Mula boy. Yeah man, a good look.
Simon say 1 clap. Simon say 1 clap. Simon says 2 clap. Simon says 3 clap. Simon says 4 clap. Simon says stop. Simon says stand. Simon says stop. Simon says stand.
Yeah, I tell you.
Simon says stop. And listen for the instructions. All the girls, back behind the line, behind Sandra. All the boys, behind Jesse, behind the line.
Let me tell you, brother. So me go stop it now. Me go stop it now. Yeah. Yes, I am.